Hey guys, let's go bake some lamb. Okay, so we have some lamb here, and I was actually looking for the local lamb, but I didn't get it because the imported lamb is so much fattier than the local one. But nonetheless, I did wash it with lime and salt vinegar, pat dry it well, and now I'm going to season. Now you don't have to use the same seasonings that I'm using. You can use any seasonings of your choice, and I will be leaving the seasonings that I use to season this meat in the description box, and there is not going to be any measurements for this. All right, just use your discretion. Season your meat how you think you want to season it. This is just what I use, what I have at hand. All right, so these are some of the seasonings that I use. You just want to make sure that it is well seasoned. Of course, I'm going to use some of my homemade green seasoning, and my green seasoning is consisted of lots of onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, and a combination of green seasonings. You want to mix it up well, making sure that all pieces of the lamb chops are well covered with the seasoning. I did let it marinate for about an hour before I was ready to place it into the pan. And you want to make sure that that seasoning catch all up in between those creases. So after 1 hour of marinating, I did place it into a pan. And now it's time to add my additional accoutrements in there, guys. So into the same bowl, I did add a little water just to get the excess seasonings out and pour it into there. As you can see, it's not much. Now, when you're baking lamb, you must have rosemary, guys. Baked lamb and rosemary is the way to go. Some freshly picked Guyana fine thyme, and I did sprinkle it with some of those white buds. That's all right. Now I'm going to add some bay leaves, and these are some fresh bay leaves just picked. Some barbecue sauce. Use any type of barbecue sauce of your choice. Now you don't have to worry about me doing it this way. You can mix up your meat with the barbecue sauce. Once it bakes, it's gonna still get into that meat. Some dried mint. I'm also going to add just about 3-star anise. And this is flavor, guys. Trust me, the way I'm doing it. I'm going to place the foil over, pop it into the oven, and let it bake for 35 minutes. Now remove the foil. And at this time, because the meat has a lot of fat, you're going to see a lot of oil. That's all right. I'm going to just take a spoon and just pour some of this oil over the meat. Just like this. And you can imagine the smell in my kitchen, guys. Yes, just make sure you soak it down in there, put it back into the oven, and let it bake for another 4 to 5 minutes. And it's that simple. Look at my baked lamb. You can take this lamb down with some peas and rice, some cook-up rice, some white rice. Do what you want with your lamb, all right? I poured the good juice over the meat, and it is simple and easy to put together, guys. So it's time for serving. Place them onto my serving tray and pour some of that good juice right over the top. Let me tell you guys, I'm working so hard, and when it comes to Sundays, once I have the chance at home to cook, I have to make sure that I cook something proper. All right, so I'm going to pour some of the good juice right over this meat, and then I'm going to take a fork, and believe you me, I'm going to cut into this meat, because I could not have resisted this baked lamb, guys. I was waiting for quite a while to bake some lamb, but I didn't have the time to. So there is it, guys. Very succulent, tasty. You would want to try this. So my easy baked lamb recipe is just for you. Just be sure to use fresh herbs because they're flavorful and it leaves your lamb herbiest. Don't you also forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.